guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is exciting because it's a It's a FabFitFun unboxing if I don't knock myself out first. So I always see Coffee Break with Danny doing these, and it's one of those things where it's like, well, Danny does a FabFitFun unboxing, so I'm gonna do a FabFitFun unboxing, duh. But no, this is exciting because I've partnered up with FabFitFun to bring you guys the spring box. Spring is my favorite season. Very excited for spring to come. I live in Pennsylvania. Winters suck. So, if you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal box, so it's 4 times a year. It's $49.99, but since I'm a FabFitFun partner, I do have a code that will get you $10 off your first box. It is polished. I will put it up on the screen. If you guys have never tried FabFitFun, now's your time. Use my code. Get some money off. So the box is $49.99, but there's over $200 worth of full-size products in this box, which I'm excited to dive into. And look how cute the box is. Right? It's adorable. The one thing that really drew me to FabFitFun was the brands that they work with, and FabFitFun in general is very philanthropic. Ooh, big words for me today. They do a lot of things with charities, women empowerment, things like that, which I, of course, think is amazing. And in the box, here, let's crack it open while I talk. So in the box, you do get this like little newspaper magazine kind of thing that tells you about all of the products that you're getting in the box. It also tells you about different charities that they have going on. And it's just, like, I read through this the other day and I was totally enthralled. Enthralled. So there's a Q&A with Rachel Pally, and she is one of the creators for this box. She has a product in the box. Okay, so the first thing that I see right on top is a $50 off your first HelloFresh, which I've never done HelloFresh, but I've always thought about it, so maybe this is a good time to try it out. So that's awesome. And then there is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. So, oh, by the way, I didn't put my big overhead light on like I usually do. I don't know, it's like 10 o'clock at night and I feel like it's just ambiance. There's like a candle burning back there, a little bit of like mood lighting. I don't know. So let's see what this looks like. And I'll give you guys prices then too. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. Black and gold's like so just, ooh. Oh, sorry. This is so pretty. Look at these shades. I've never found a lip palette that I loved. Maybe this will be the one. Look at all those nudes. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is very pretty. Ooh, ooh. Look at that color right there. That is speaking to me right now. Okay, this is beautiful. So let me see the price. So this is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. Pucker up, ladies. This palette features 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color. Enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba, jojoba, yogoba oil, olive oil, aloe vera. You can mix and match for endless color combinations. $42. Wow. Rachel Pally, this is what I'm excited about. Oh, shut your mouth. This is so cute. Look, it's a little clutch. I love this. Now, okay, I was looking through this little magazine. So there's 3 different options that you can get of the clutch. They're right up here. This was the one that I wanted. This was the one that I wanted. Oh, I'm so excited. So it's the Rachel Pally Reversible Clutch. $60. Wow. Say hello to the cutest clutches around from designer Rachel Pally. These pattern picks are the perfect complement to any outfit, and the best part, they're reversible. This is adorable. You guys are going to see me using this. Like, I'm going to LA and New York soon. This will be with me. So it's just like a big bag. There's a zipper at the top, so you can pack that baby full. This is adorable. I love this. I would wear it probably like this. I just think this is like so summery and pretty. I'm so excited that I got this one. Love this. Oh, I love Free People so much, but they're so expensive. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, wait, I love this. I'll do a close-up so you guys can see it. I'm like so excited right now. Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time any charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. $40, I'm telling you. Free People does not play. They are expensive. Oh my gosh, this feels like really fancy. Wait, vegan leather? It feels so nice. Oh, okay, I see. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool. I will definitely use this. This is like the fanciest eye mask that I've ever seen in my life. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, oh my god. So then there's a little sample of the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. Oh, and there's 3 different, not flavors, there's 3 different scents that you could get. That's cute. That's a nice size sample too. And then there's this little pouch. What is in here? K&C Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. I need a lip mask. I was just talking with Erin earlier and I'm like, I really want to get injections just in my top lip. And Erin's like, oh my god, so do I. I feel like my lower lip is like so full and nice and then my top lip's like, meh. But I'm probably too wimpy to do it, but I really want to. These are K&C Beauty All Natural 5-pack Collagen Infused Lip Mask. This lip mask works to plump and hydrate your delicate lips. Infused with collagen, rose flower oil, cherry extract, and vitamin E, this gel textured treatment leaves you with the perfect pout. $24.99. So that's awesome. This is something that I probably wouldn't go out and buy, but when I get it, like in a box or something, I'm like so excited and I'm like, how did I live without this? I need these in my life. You know what I mean? Do you guys have things like that where you're like, oh, I would never have bought that, but now that I have it, I don't know how I survived life without it. That's me. Oh, look at these earrings. I just saw some the other day like this at Express or somewhere. These are so cool, and now that my hair is longer, I feel like I can get away with crazier earrings. Look at these. These are really cool. You could pull these off just with like a white t-shirt, ripped jeans, and like really cute heels. I could totally see that. Like, I would rock these. Okay, these are, let's refer back to our little magazine. These are the Etika Daydreamer Tassel Earrings. Hello, statement earrings of our dreams. Put these cascading tassel beauties on and watch them dazzle all season long. $58. When here it says tip. These earrings are perfect to pair with a t-shirt and washed out jeans. Stylist of the year, $58. That's a lot of money for a pair of earrings. Oh my gosh, but you know what? I'm gonna rock these. I'll wear these in a video. They're cute. I actually like those. Oh, you guys know how much I love candles. The #1 Manhattan Beach Bergamot Musk White Jasmine Brazilian Softwoods Citrus and Heliotrope Candle. They are speaking my language. Okay, this is really cute. This looks like a mug for a Moscow Mule. Did you guys ever have a Moscow Mule? They're bomb. Oh, that smells like really beachy and like fresh. So wait, where's my book? Where's my little book? So these are by Anderson Lily. They retail for $45. For one candle, $45? Girl, that is so expensive. Oh, Murad. I love Murad. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. Ooh, Murad's expensive too. Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, $40. So this is an ultra-light, oil-free moisturizer, helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy. Healthy? Girl, have you been drinking? $40, like, come on. What are we at right now price-wise? we're pretty much up there in price. So this is just a really good like daily daytime moisturizer. And then we have the Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. My nails are so just jacked right now. Winter has totally killed my nails. So this, my friends, this right here, where are we? So this retails for $18. Keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. So I'll do a close-up so you guys can see, but it has a pink tint to it. So it makes your nails look like there's nothing on them, but they look really healthy at the same time. Do you know what I mean? So this will definitely come in handy. Peptide infused concealer and treatment. I'm gonna try you tonight. Oh, and it has a little bit of like a opal shift to it. Oh, how did they know? Okay, and the last thing in the box is this crazy little gadget. Oh, Tony is gonna massage me tonight. So this is the Physique 57 Massage Roller. This massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. $20. And there's 4 different colors that you could get, and they sent me purple, my favorite color. Bitch. Oh! Oh. Ooh. Oh, Tony is gonna go to town on my back tonight, girl. This is really cool. Like, I just want to play with this, right? Doesn't it just look fun? Get your minds out there together, people. So that's everything for my box. I'm so excited about like everything that was in here. This eye mask. This is another one of those things that like once you have it, you're like, how did I survive life without this really adorable little eye mask with the little cooling pocket? How did I live without you? Also, don't forget, if you guys would like to try out FabFitFun, you can use my code POLISH to get $10 off. I will link FabFitFun down below so you guys can check them out. But yeah, that's going to do it for me, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried FabFitFun and like what the best thing is that you got in a box. What would be my favorite thing from this box? I would have to say the clutch. This is just so cute. I do really love this eye mask though. And I'm kind of excited about these earrings. I just feel like there's something so different that I probably wouldn't buy for myself, but now that I have them, I'm kind of feeling inspired. Like, they're so funky. I think I can pull them off. You guys will drag me to filth if I can't though. So thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye.
You know what? This could double as like a rolling pin, or you could beat someone if they broke into your house. Like, can you imagine just running at a burglar with this, like, I'm gonna kill you, sucker. Oh, this is adorable. This is so cute. Look at this color. Like, the mint green, the teal with the peach is so cute. You cannot say that it's not. And then the little pops of like navy blue. I'm doing my nails tonight in those colors. Don't say I'm not either. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, baby, I have plans for you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. This print is giving me all the feels. I love you. You know she cute. She real cute. Are you brushing the shoulder? The salt? Where are you? 1997? I'm gonna need you to bring it back to reality. I'm talking to myself. For all of you that are just tuning in. Because some of the girls would just be like turning it, and I'm like, give me those ropes, and let me show you how it's done. You gotta like get into it. Like, you gotta turn those ropes. And then when you jump in, you gotta like, oh, psych, psych. And then you go and you're just like, oh my gosh, I was a double dutch champ. I need to double dutch. Like, it needs to happen right now. Who's gonna double dutch with me though? Emma will be mortified. Tara, I know Tara will double dutch with me. She's down for whatever. Oh my god, me and Tara in my driveway double dutching? Wait, we need a third person. Tony? She's giving you shoulder, she's giving you baby bun, and she's giving you ambiance. What more do you want from me, people? What? Tell me. Just tell me and I'll give it to you. Jesus. Now you done did it, girl.